the Halo. Hey guys, so the Halo, that's what we're taking a look on today. I love their name, Halo. I'm on the compound of Devon House. Very popular spot, chill spot, ice cream spot, food, grill bar, snacks, recreation. Devon House is also in supermarket now. Devon House ice cream. I remember the days you have to come to Devon House and join very long lines. But now it's more accessible. They have the scoops outlets all over, plus they have mobile ice cream truck as well. But the Halo, very close to here, 7 Devon Road. That's what we're gonna take a look on. We're gonna set up the drone as well to get some more aerial shots. It's been marketed as ultra luxurious residence, prime location. It's close to everywhere, close to Half a Tree. It's close to everywhere. So it's very centrally located in prime Devon House real estate area. They're gonna have rooftop infinity pool, state-of-the-art fitness gym, jogging trail, rooftop bar and grill, 24/7 concierge. So you know the whole works. It's also been marketed as investor friendly, and you know that means you can use it for Airbnb because some apartments don't allow you. So it's good to know before. You know, next thing you buy somewhere and want to do Airbnb and you can't. So this one is investor friendly. So if you're overseas or you're buying it to Airbnb or rent, not a problem. That's what a lot of persons are doing nowadays as well. There is a promo video for it. I'm gonna try put it in this video, so you guys can see how it's gonna look on completion. So if the promo video can be inserted, I'm gonna insert it right here. That's the talk of the town. Alright guys, so there's also a billboard on the outside of the property. It's gonna take a shot of that billboard as well, so you guys can see what the finished look will be like. Straight ahead is another Usain Bolt commercial development. I'll put the link for that in the comments. If you didn't check out that video, you can see. So it's gonna be a call center. It's a commercial development by Usain Bolt. So Devon House, when last have you been? Let me know in the comments. Let me know if this is one of your spots. This is one of the most popular chill spot, recreational spot for the entire Kingston. Almost every tourist that comes to Kingston comes here. If you've never been here, the next time you're in Jamaica or in Kingston, definitely pass by as well. It's not only ice cream, as I mentioned, there's a lot of pastry spots. There's also a lot of restaurants, kids play area, so the whole works. Alright, so we got some shots already in the intro. We're gonna send up the drone soon so we can get some more aerial shots. And again guys, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe. Alright, so this is Devon Road. And just when we were exiting Devon House, it seemed as if another development is happening in front. I'll keep a close eye on that one. Alright guys, so wait for some drone shots. So the office of the Prime Minister, Most Honorable Andrew Holness, is also on this road, Devon Road as well. So we're gonna jump into some drone shots.